Class, settle down. I have some big news. We have our test results, and some of them are good, and some of them are a little. Okay, so you get it. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you the papers. So yeah, come to my desk and I'll give them to you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh no. Oh no. What'd you get, Jimmy? Got a 50. Not bad. I mean, could have done better. So you can see, I got 50. You know, not so bad. What did you get? You're like the smartest one in the class. I got 99%, not 100. I'm gonna use my brain powers to calculate. I did it. I'm smart. That's how smart I am. Oh my god. You know. Oh my god. You gotta stay away. Why is it so loud? Oh my god. Oh my god. Slay that fire alarm. Slay. Okay, class. We need to evacuate this building. Everybody line up in a single file line, okay? Hurry up! Now! Or else. You're gonna get 0 on your grade. So, if I did my math calculations correctly, we have 3.157 seconds left until we all die.
I think someone's on fire.
Yeah. Teacher, please.
I don't
save
care!
me!